Okay, so everyone keeps talking about how open source models are suddenly getting really good at tasks. And I'm like, how? Because think about the advantage frontier labs have. They have insane researchers, insane amounts of compute, insane amounts of money. They're basically training AI on ultra pro max settings. So, how are open source models, open weight models getting this close? The answer is actually really interesting. Because once you understand how an LLM is trained, you realize you don't necessarily need to invent everything from scratch anymore. You start with pre training. You throw an absolutely disgusting amount of data at the model and then train it to predict the next token over and over again. That gives you your base model. Then comes post training, where you teach it to follow instructions, reason, use tools, and behave like an assistant. And then, boom, you have a useful model. But here's where things get really cool: knowledge distillation. Imagine you've got this absolutely cracked teacher model. This model has been trained on billions of parameters, trillions of parameters, is very smart at reasoning and coding. Now, instead of making a smaller model figure everything out from scratch, you let the teacher teach it. You give the teacher problems, it generates strong answers, reasoning traces, solutions, whatever you're trying to transfer. You filter and verify the data, then use that to train the student model. And this isn't just theoretical. DeepSeek released smaller models distilled from R1 onto Qwen and Llama based models. And follow me for part 2, where I explain another equally important concept to make this possible.